Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the disappearing mouse cursor issue on Windows 11 while you are typing. And now let's get started. If you find that your mouse cursor, or pointer as it is technically called, vanishes when you start typing in Windows 11, there is a simple setting you can adjust. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing mouse. Select the mouse settings from the search results. Once the mouse settings window opens, scroll down and look for an option labeled Additional Mouse Settings. Clicking this will open a new dialog box. In this dialog, navigate to the Pointer Options tab. You will find a checkbox labeled Hide Pointer while typing. Make sure this box is unchecked. After unchecking it, click on the Apply button and then click OK to save your changes. With this setting adjusted, your mouse pointer should no longer disappear when you are typing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.